This condition makes Albert Einstein synonymous with genius. In 1921, Albert Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his contributions to theoretical physics and his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect. The figure of Albert Einstein also gave birth to many other sciences, especially influencing the philosophy of science. This fact makes many people, especially the next generation, motivated to follow in his footsteps. In addition, the words of Albert Einstein can also be a life motivation for everyone. So, for those who are not enthusiastic about doing something, they can immediately wake up and live life more enthusiastically through his words. Albert Einstein's words are mostly motivational words that can be an encouragement. The following is a summary of the results from my financial page, Friday, 19/6/2020. Albert Einstein's words. As follows the words of Albert Einstein. 1. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. 2. Any man who reads too much and uses his own brain too little falls into lazy habits of thinking. 3. There comes a time when the mind takes a higher plane of knowledge but can never prove how it got there. 4. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. 5. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. 6. Human beings must have action, and they will make it if they cannot find it. 7. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. 8. The only source of knowledge is experience. 9. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. 10. If it is a success in life, then equals x plus y plus z. Work is x, y is play, and z is keeping your mouth shut. 11. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. 12. Learn from yesterday. I live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. 14. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. 15. The most incomprehensible thing about the world is that it is comprehensible. 16. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. 17. I think and think for months and years, 99 times. The conclusion is false. The 100th time I am right. 18. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. 19. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. 20. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger and more complex. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. 21. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance you must keep moving. 22. Information is not knowledge. 23. Small is the number of people who see with their eyes and think with their minds. 24. The difference between genius and stupidity is that genius has its limits. 25. Once you stop learning, you start dying. 26. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. 27. A happy man is satisfied with the present, to dwell too much on the future. 28. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. 29. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. 30. Sometimes one pays most for the things one gets for nothing. 31. Anger dwells only in the bosom of fools. 32. Insanity. Doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. 33. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. 34. Pure mathematics is, in its way, the poetry of logical ideas. 35. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. 36. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. 37. Few are those who see with their own eyes and feel with their own hearts. 38. I never think of the future, it comes soon enough. 39. The secret to creativity is knowing how to hide your sources. 40. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. 41. A man should look for what is, and not what he thinks should be. 42. Two things are infinite: the universe, human stupidity, and I'm not sure about tea.